Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Stability Matrix. In order to do so, here we are at Lycos.ai, and as you can see, here is where you're going to get started by downloading Stability Matrix. You can download that, and once it's installed, then you will see a page similar to this. So a screen similar to this, and here what we're looking for, the main thing is our packages section. Other things here, you will want to explore the Image Lab, Checkpoint Manager, Model Browser, Output Browser, Workflows, lots of good stuff to explore there. But the main thing to get you started is packages. This is where you're going to come and you're going to install the package that you may be interested in. As you can see, I've got WAN2 GPT Stable Diffusion installed. If we want to add a package, we can come here to the bottom and we'll click on that. And here we have all of the different packages that we can install. So depending on what you're looking for, you can come here, install the package you are interested in, go to the packages section, and then you can click launch, and it will launch whichever package you have installed. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool powered by AI that will get to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.